are here at EFI Express here in Lee, New Hampshire today. This is Scott Roszell's 6-liter with a stage 2 cam in it with a LS1 car intake and LS simple bracketry to go to the truck. Crank pulley with, this is actually has the AC kit too. This is a nice setup, people. It looks nice and professional. All the parts fit well. As you saw at the beginning of this video, I showed you the fuel pressure gauge. This is tuned at 58 psi. With no boost reference. That's what it needs to be for fuel pressure, constant. And look at that graph. Air fuel, nice straight across. And down here is the magic number. See if I can find it. There it is. 374.7 at the hubs, which works out to 441.1 at the crank. So, anything you'd like to add, Mark?
No, I enjoy it.
Alright, if you have any questions, give us a call at justchevytrucks.com or lsxforyou.com. Thank you.